Hi everyone, welcome to the 60th session of Python for Machine Learning. In this session, in the previous session of probability mass function, I've complicated the thing. So I've thought of coming again once with a more streamlined approach where I can explain the concept of probability mass function in a very simple manner. So suppose I have a jar that contain some marbles okay, this is a jar. Suppose it contains some marbles of different colors, and we have the different colors like red, green, yellow, black, and all. And we have the distribution of the different distribution means the how many color of each marble is present in that bottle. So for that, what we'll do, first of all, we'll import pandas pd and import, and we will have the pandas data set with two columns, one column which contains the color name and the other column which contains the count of each color marble. Now df black and orange, the count is, we'll say suppose 5 to 9. We'll execute these two lines. Our data set is prepared. Okay, so this is our data set where the red color marble is 5, green is 8, and so on. Now what we need to do is we need to find the probability mass function. So what is probability mass function? The probability mass function is a function that gives a probability that discrete random variables and is exactly equal to some value. So what do we mean by this? We mean what is the probability of red in this entire in this box? That will be 5 divided by, if you sum up this count, which is equals to dot sum. So the probability of red will be 5 by 30. Probability of green will be 8 by 30, and so on. Okay. So we'll add one more column which will be PMF, df of PMF, which will give you the probability of each marbles of a same color. So this will be equals to df of count divided by df of count dot sum. Now if you view this, so the probability of red marble is 0.16, green is 0.26, and if you add up everything, this 0.16, 0.26, 0.20, 0.06, and this, it will add up to 1. It will add up and give you 1. So if we give df PMF dot sum, it will give you 1. Now if you want to see the how it is distributed, okay, so we'll just plot a bar graph, plt.bar. Okay, so this is how the distribution is. So, and this is what we mean with the probability mass distribution. For each variable, what is the probability and how it is distributed. So I hope in this session I am able to make you understand clearly what probability mass distribution and probability mass function does. Okay, thanks a lot for watching the session. If you feel this video is helpful, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll come up with some more videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.